So it's early on Thursday morning, January 8th, here on Skidaway Island. As you can see, the wind is really blowing. It's over 20 miles an hour, and the temperature is down in the mid-20s and predicted to go to about 22 tonight. Mom is hunkered down on the eggs, and I say eggs because there are now two of them. And she's getting blown about quite a bit. It looks like it's calmed down for just a second here. And I know 22 degrees is nothing for the rest of the East Coast, but it's pretty cold for here in Savannah, Georgia. So I think she's looking forward to some warmer weather soon, but right now she's getting blown around.